Hello there, welcome back to Between the Keys, where I teach you how to play different songs, including those in the US Top 40. And let's see that you can see, you can see exactly the notes that I play, perfect. And this one is Close to You by Gracie Abrams. And this song is in F sharp. I nearly said B for some reason. It's in F sharp, there's the F sharp chord. I don't get a single problem with provocative. Okay, she sings kind of like slowly and there's not really any music in the first bit. So, I don't get a single problem with provocative. See the bodies, how they burn, it's just the way it is. The music comes in on I burn for you. So I'll just go through that. See the bodies, how they burn, it's just the way it is. Smoky, dark, crowded room, I need nothing, sorry. Under pink light in June, I was so cool, but then all of a sudden, you saw me look at you. And then the music comes in. I burn for you, and you don't even know my name. Okay, you could play the chords over the intro part. It's E flat minor. Now there isn't actually music online for this, I couldn't find the chords, so I just played along and tried to figure it out on my own. And what I can hear is F sharp, E flat minor, B, and then C sharp, or D flat. F sharp, let's call them all sharps. F sharp, D sharp minor, B, and then C sharp. So, I don't get a problem with prerogative. See the bodies, how they burn, it's just the way it is. Let's go to I burn for you. I burn for you. You don't even know my name. If you ask me to, I'd give up everything to be close to you. Pull the trigger on the gun, I'll give you all I gave you when we met. Sorry, I can't see. Let's make it a little bit bigger so I can actually read the damn thing. To be close to you. Pull the trigger on the gun I gave you when we met. I wanna be close to you. Break my heart and start a fire. You got me overnight. Just let me be close to you. Close to you. Just let me be so close to you. Close to you. And now you're moving into cinematic lighting, cinematic timing. So this is back to the verse. She kind of speaks it. Pull me in, touch my neck, and now I'm dying. You should be mine for life. I'll be signing every dotted line. Ah ha 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 ha. Ah ha ha. Chemical override, ultraviolet. You could be mine tonight. And I burn for you. Okay, 4-chord song. And I burn for you, to be close to you, close to you, close to you, burn for you, close to you, close to you. And it just finishes with, we go round and round again, verse, chorus, 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 chorus. To be close to you, standard pop, close to you, close to you, E flat minor, or D sharp minor, B. Just let me be close to you, close to you, close to you. It's a 4-chord song, and I hope you managed to learn it from this video. You could also, by the way, use G sharp or A flat minor. Let's call it G sharp. It does work. Play it over the song. Tell me what you think. It gives it a different feel. It does sound more like E flat to me, D sharp. Close to you, G sharp minor, close to you, close to you, because that's the 2. It's the 1 to the 6, to the 4, to the 5, or it's the 1 to the 2, to the 4, to the 5. You tell me what you think it is. Probably the 6, but the 2 works almost just as well. So, thanks for watching. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please click like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one for the US Top 40, which is... what is it? Diet Pepsi by Addison Rae. Let's give it a listen and learn it and play it for you guys. See you in the next one. Ciao for now.